type in Google like this Serva download, and then click on this first link, and then open the link tab. Next tab you will get like this Serva here. From here actually version 3.2.0 is available, and actually I'm giving a presentation on one more older version for this. Actually I have already downloaded, so just will continue from that software itself. By clicking on this link you can directly download the setup for this, and you can save it to your desired location, and by clicking it's okay. So I have already downloaded, so I will not continue like this. I'm just closing this and minimizing this. Also actually we need some basic setup to do for this. Actually we need to I'm creating a new folder to perform all these tasks, naming TFTP. It's a standard name that I'm giving. One more folder is available here, so just I'm renaming this so that the name cannot be conflict with the same name. So I'm typing here TFTP. It's a standard name. So and now I have server setup on my PC, so I'm just getting copy and just print down on the destination folder. Here I just got and just extract file same with the same name. It's no complication. I can also extract the file to extract here by clicking on extract here option. Now you can see here that there is three extra files are created. Now this is application file through which all the operation is being is about to be performed. Now we do not need this file, so I'm just deleting it. Okay, just click on this and get like this. Oh, it's getting blurred. I cancel the same page. It's a web page is here. Something wrong. Yeah, it's here appeared now. So just click on upper left corner and then go to the setting. We are about to configure a TFTP server. Make this TFTP enabled. Bind to the desired. This IP should be your own PC IP, and just the base set the base folder from where you want to perform all this activity. Select this TFTP security should be none, and go to DHCP. Actually the IP should be assigned through DHCP services, and enable BINL, bind DHCP to this address. It's my own PC address, don't be confused, and just type some free IP of your network. If you know 192.168. It's free IP of my network, so I'm just putting the same. And pool size you can put 3 or 5, or I'm just putting here 5. And now giving subnet mask, and this okay, it's a bit done. Now the step is more important, is to close, saving. You can see here this this configuration setting, this file is created here. Now the all configuration would be saved in this file, and reopen this. Just click on it, then close the web page, background. Now you can see this. Here some more process has been done and more folders have been created here, and in your base folder named tftp. Okay, now we are not going to change anything in this server community application. Now we'll just do some changes in these folders and files of this folder. Now pardon. Now we'll place the OS files in this folder. I'll show in so here I want some OS files to add on this. Just minimize all the things, and I have my own collections, so I just go to my PC's collection, and I just add to my folder like this one. I just copy and where's the folder tftp here, and a lot of folders are opened, so I will just okay, I'm just pasting here, I'm dropping here for temporary. It's temporary, not it's permanent. Okay, I'm drawing one more OS file of Windows 10 pre-activated. Just copy and here I can paste. So now you can see it's been copied here. I'm just fast forwarding the video. Now you can see the both setup has been copied here. I'll just simply extract file here, extract file to the same destination folder. This you can see here, I'm choosing the same destination with the same name. Just press OK. Okay, it's in process, and I'll do the same thing for this also. Just click OK. You can see here this folder is new, this folder is also new. This both folder have been created. Okay, and this is in process. You can see both are in process, so I'm just fast forwarding this. You can see here it's completed. Now all the files has been copied or extracted to these folders. Okay, you can see that it's completed now. So I'll just rename so that I couldn't face any problem regarding this. Just renaming this. Now it's done. Now I do not need these files, so I'm just deleting these both files, and I'll place these files, this one and this one, these Windows 10 and Windows 7 extracted files, to this folder simply paste this. Just done. Now you can see here that all the base files are here, and no extra file has been created. All the base files are available. So just, and now check the application part. You can see here that DHCP is configured correctly, and you can see that Serva is not found when it's creating that. It's just ignore this here. Is created. All the folders have been created, and this DHCP, our DHCP is working here. You can see that we had entered IP of this series. Okay, just close it. Just close the application. Now one more thing is here to be done. Let's share this WIA-WDS folder. Okay, let's put it share, so that we can, I think it's already shared, I think. Yeah, just give permission to full control. Okay, then close. Okay, done. Here it's done, I think. Now I will reopen this application, and again close the portal. Now you can see here it's copied. You can see many updates here running. Okay, now it's done. Now minimize the application side, and now you can observe that some external folder has been created, like OEM here, and this server, this here, OEM this here. Okay, and now what the problem we will face if we do not have a network PXE card or drivers. So that for Windows 10 I have particularly network drivers for my PC itself. So I just go to this location and just copy. It's copied, and now desktop from TFTP. It's for Windows 10 only. Go to this location and paste all the copied. Yeah, it's done. It's done for Windows 10 only. Okay, now if you find drivers for Windows 7, so you can go to this, you can search for this, and from here you can easily find out. It's my own trick. Okay, so I'm not very much sure, but it's working here. Just paste this thing in Serva for this one, space MP drivers for Windows 7. Okay, adding. Oh, something is wrong here, something is wrong. Wait, just copy this name and open Google. Just paste this 7, and just add a space, and you can find here. Actually I am performing this activity for my Dell. You can see here it's Dell PC on which I want I want to install was through PXE card. Just I am adding this, click on this, opening next tab. You can see here its driver pack. Okay, just click download, just click on download. Okay, and you can choose this link also, you can go to this site also. Okay, this. Okay, from here you can all the package of network card for PXC drivers you can see here. Just download. It's about 125 MB. Okay, it's for 125 MB. It's for Dell, from the Dell network side. So I have already downloaded the same. Okay, so I'm just picking up from my base folder which I have already placed. This already downloaded and already extracted here also. Okay, these folders have been already extracted here, so I will not do it again. Just copy from my base folder to my TFTP folders. Okay, this is in process, wait for a minute. Do the same thing for Windows 7 network card driver also, so that it can detect both OS. It's for 64-bit, it's network, and any of the card. So just copy and paste in. It's for Windows 7, just in the same place, same paste. One more if some drivers have missed. So 64 Windows 7. Oh, sorry. Just copy and just paste on the same destination. Paste. Replace the files. Not okay. It's done, I think. Okay. Let's try. Here some files have been created after running this application, and the application is running. So in Windows 10 there some files have been created in folder of Serva, but in Windows 7 folder there is not created. So I'll just copy and then paste, and what's happened? Is it done? Yeah, it's done. Okay. It's done. I think the base setup has been done. Now we'll close the application and then folder also. Now go to base, rerun the application server and close external files, and you can see here that the same has been created for Windows 10 and Windows 7 also. Now we will get both prompt to select both OS. Okay, not at a time but one by one. Now switch on this and continue, press F12 to get boot menu option. It's boot menu option, it's entering. Okay, select your network, boot, let's press enter. You can see here, and the process is here also, it's being offered, and some process has been, yeah. Okay, now you can see here that the both Windows options are available here. Okay, you can select any of them. Okay, I am selecting Windows 7 to install. Okay, let's press enter, and you can see that some process is here. Continue, and the file is being copied to destination PC. Okay, and some process has been in process. It's completed. Now it will take now it's asking no. You can see here carefully that some process is being processed, loading network resources. Now it's asking for it's asking for username and password. It's username and password. So username is here. I'm typing, just trying to type, and the password should be just, you can see here that this OK and this OK, and it's waiting for connect to Serva installer assets. Just press connect. It's connecting. It's error, I think I've given wrong. TRA TRO. Okay, let's hit it again. Just trying it again. Just what's wrong with this? Just type username and the password for this. Enter. Yeah, it's done. You like to select upgrade or option clean installation. If you want to perform a clean installation, instead click no. It's no. I'll prefer clean installation. For this, just next. Install window. Setup is starting. Here we go. Yeah, accept license agreement and click next. And custom install. I wanna perform clean installation. This is just I'll prefer to select format the drive and click on next. Started. Now you can see here Windows installation is